We are at Cadillac Ranch.
It's freezing.
It's windy, it's cold. My dad is around here somewhere. No, I got my hood. We found some spray paint. It's still full. We're gonna. It's Ashley's favorite color. We are gonna put a mark on one of these cars. Don't know which one yet. Look at all the years of paint. Guys, what did you think?
It was awesome.
So different? Oh, yeah.
I'm glad we did it.
Are you glad our yard doesn't look like that?
I am. I do it with RVs. So.
RVs?
It's a better canvas.
Winnebagos?
Yeah, Winnebagos.
That you can still walk in?
Uh-huh. Go in there and open the fridge.
My hair's done.
What time is it?
It's time for you to graduate, son.
Aaron Timothy James, General Business.
Alright, I just graduated and it was pretty cool. I feel very smart. I look smarter now as well. And we're gonna eat at the Big Texan.
Oh, the chicken. Oh, we got the chicken.
You got the chicken? I got 5 more shots.
How many do I have? Oh, I have 5 too. I want this can. Oh, I totally had that. Oh, I'm out.
I'm out as well.
I got 20. You got 22. This slot machine is for amusement only.
This is what needs to go in my mom's house. Watch it.
Oh dear. That's kind of scary.
But look at this.
What does it do?
Watch these pictures. That are, no, walk this way.
Yeah, it turns into
Are they for Halloween?
Do you see the little girl?
Yeah, it's creepy.
And then, you know, you go on this side, he looks normal, and then you go on that side, he looks creepy. Just...
This one's really creepy.
That one's really...
That one's super creepy too.
And it looks so normal when you got it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. This one's a little creepy.
But it's like everybody is different, so you really want to look at each one. Ah, that one is a skeleton. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that one. That one's tricky. There you go. You got footage of all the crazy people. Oh, there's somebody in the outhouse.
Old Sparky. Pose and pose. Is this a real bear? Nice. All sitting there.
Does it rock?
It rocks. Okay. Okay.
I'm stuck.
Take your picture.
It's okay. We got it on the
You
GoPro.
got it on your camera.
Do you want to sit on it?
Sure. Take my picture.
It's pretty rocky.
I'll film you.
You'll film me? Okay.
Even better.
Just be careful with those slippers.
Is this what you're gonna get for the front deck? You and Dad could sit on it. You could probably put like a second bench in the back.
Yeah. Thing's huge.
You gonna buy this armadillo?
Got his 2 6-shooters on the sides.
Should I buy the hat?
Are you gonna wear them?
It's $30. It's too. You probably could.
I just don't see you wearing.
I don't either. I think it's a big cow though. Is it a good cow?
It's a good cow.
What's over this dinosaur?
I don't know what he's doing. He's got like fireworks or something. I think. I don't really know what those are supposed to
Let's
be.
go check it out.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's an actual hotel here too. So they put all the cattle brands in the sidewalk. And here is the big T-Rex. What is he doing?
I think.
It's a legend. Happy dinosaurs.
He's happy. My hands are cold.
So if you're smart and you call ahead, you can get picked up in a limo for free. And they have horns on the hood.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Whew. These are some cool trash receptacles. You saw it here. You gotta put your head in this one. Babe, you gotta put your head over here. She's gonna eat the steak. So where are we at?
We're at the Camelot Inn in Amarillo.
So the reviews online said that this place was kind of dated, and we were just in the hotel lobby, and their TV was like a really old 29-inch. It's a flat screen, but it's one of the ones with like the big back to it. So we haven't gone in the room yet. We're gonna go check it out.
We have very low expectations for $29.
$29 a night.
Queen size bed with free Wi-Fi for $29.
So
Our expectations are not high.
no, it's called the Camelot because it's themed like a castle. I'll film it in the morning. You'll be able to tell better. But if you look, you can kind of see that there's these balconies. I'm not sure what the term is. I know the term, but it's not. I'm having a lapse in
Turrets?
turrets.
Not turrets. Turrets.
Those,
Right?
I don't know. They're called something. We're gonna go inside and check it out. Wrong room. Well, I feel really tall too.
Are you ready for this?
You gotta.
I did.
You waited too long. Oh, try it again.
It's broken.
Is it?
You want to try?
I'll give it a shot.
Be very quick, I guess.
Okay.
Oh dear.
Oh, okie dokie then. Wait,
It doesn't smell bad. I'm smelling queen size.
these are 2 fulls.
Whatever, we picked up
Whatever. Where's the lights? Are those the only lights? Okay. Does this one turn both of them on? Hey, you turn these other lights.
They're probably burnt out. Look, we each get our own bed.
Oh. Okay, you have one at a time. We got a heater. We got a well-angled mini fridge. Used to have probably the small TVs. But wait, we got a flat screen. And it's not bolted to anything. It still has the paper on it. It's like brand new. I'm not gonna peel it. Let's check out the bathroom. Watch out. Probably. Look how well you see it. Do we have shampoo? I just walked into this stupid door. It's not stupid. Well, okay. Missing the middle hinge. Let's go ahead and lock that. It's, would you call it dated? It's dated. It's for sure dated. Look at the, but I'm not worried. Like, I'm not filming this to make fun of it. I'm more filming it because it's,
From the outside, this isn't what you expect.
it's about what I expected.
Really? I wasn't expecting floral. I was expecting more like, I don't know, like patterned stuff, I guess. I don't know, like more medieval, I guess. I don't know.
Well, we're
When you
gonna.
think Camelot, what do you think of?
I think what Ashley's trying to say is that they put a lot of effort into making the outside of the building look like a castle. Not a lot of effort, I guess.
There's knife marks in the ceiling.
There's knife marks in the ceiling. Okay. Whatever. $29 a night is not bad.
You guys are a little more comfortable than the Motel 6.
Definitely a lot bigger
More
than
maxi.
definitely a lot bigger than the other hotels we've stayed at and paid double for. So, damn, look at those sweet chairs.
See, that's more what I was expecting.
All right, and the cool thing is there's a hallway door over here.
Yes.
There's an exterior door over here. So,
Safe.